Hello, in front of me I've got AOC monitor. In this video I'll show you how to enable Overdrive function. Overdrive on monitor, including AOC monitors, is feature designed to reduce motion blur and ghosting by accelerating the response time of the pixels. When you're playing fast-paced games or watching action-heavy videos, pixels need to change colors very quickly. If they don't, you get trailing effect known as ghosting. Overdrive helps by applying extra voltage to speed up that pixel transition. To enable it, let's go to Game Settings and go to Overdrive. Select level weak, medium or strong or off. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.